Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we have another digital SAT math type of a question from the topic of functions. Let's solve it together. If the function g is defined by the equation g of x equals 4x plus 2, for what value of x does g of x is equals to 18? A is 3, b is 4, and c is 5, and d is 6. This is a different type of a question, and then so to solve this question, I'm gonna rewrite the given function, and our goal is to find, for some values of x, this is gonna be equal to 18. What is it gonna be equal to 18? The function, the y value will be equal to 18. Therefore, in this type of questions, we're going to make the value, the output, equals to 18. And we will solve for the x. To solve this one for x, we will just take away 2 from both sides. So 4x is equals to 16. And we will divide both sides by 4. And then x will be equals to 16 divided by 4 is 4. So now we just found the answer, so we don't have to do some other steps, because when you substitute 4 for the x, you would get 18. But let's check our answer. If I put 4, do I get 18 for the x? 4 times 4 plus 2. So g of 4 is 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus 2. So g of 4 will give you 18. As you can see, the answer, we just double check our answer, and this is the correct answer. So the right choice for the specific questions again, choice B. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye-bye.